Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Fitri Handayani. This is video I will do a segment from Mr. Haryadi Syam. The segment in tell about question from of to be, to do, and to have in context of read. What? What do you need to read for you a segment? Where? Where do you actually read your notes? When? When do you plan to read the report? Why? Why is it important to read clearly and concisely? Who will read the introduction for the project? Which topic do you want to read about in your essay? Whom do you ask for help when you read? Whose work will you read about in your review? How do you actually read your first draft? To be, I'm writing my thesis this semester. They are writing a proposal for the new project. She was writing in her journal yesterday. We were writing our reflection during the workshop. To do. Do you often write in a journal? Does he write article for the school newspaper? Did you write the summary before the meeting? To have. I have written several essays this semester. Have you written your final paper yet? They had written a letter to the editor before the deadline. Next, speak. What do you want to speak about in your presentation? Where can we speak privately? When do you actually speak in front of an audience? Why is it important to speak clearly? Who do you speak to for advice? Which language do you prefer to speak? Whom do you speak with at the conference? Whose turn is it to speak next? How do you feel when you speak in public? To be, I'm speaking at the meeting tomorrow. They are speaking about climate change. She was speaking when I entered the room. We were speaking with the manager earlier. To do. Do you speak an other language? Does he speak well under pressure? Did you speak to her about the project? To have. I have spoken to him about the issue. Have you spoken with the new team member yet? They had spoken to the client before the meeting. Next, read. What do you like to read the most? Where do you actually read your books? When do you find time to read? Why do you enjoy reading fiction? Who reads that author's works? Which book are you currently reading? Whom do you recommend I read next? Whose book did you borrow from the library? How do you prefer to read on a tablet or in print? To be, I'm reading a fascinating novel right now. They are reading the instruction careful. She was reading when I arrived. We were reading together at the coffee. To do you read every day? Does he read more than one book at a time? Next, read. What do you like to read the most? Where do you actually read your books? When do you find time to read? Why do you enjoy reading fiction? Who reads the author's work? Which book are you currently reading? Whom do you recommend I read next? What book did you borrow from the library? How do you prefer to read on a tablet or in print? To be, I'm reading a fascinating novel right now. They are reading the introduction careful. She was reading when I arrived. We were reading together at the coffee. To do. Do you read every day? Does she read more than one book at a time? Did you read that article I sent you? To have. I have read the book several times. Have you read the latest magazine? They had read all the chapter before the exam. Next, ask. What? What do you want to ask the teacher about the assignment? Where can I ask for help with my project? When do you plan to ask your manager for a raise? Why is it important to ask questions during a meeting? Shall I ask for advice on my career path? Which which topic do you want to ask about in the discussion? Whom did you ask for clarification on the introduction? Whose turn is it to ask a question next? How do you actually ask for feedback on your work? To be. I'm asking for assistance with my research. They are asking the audience for their opinions. She was asking questions during the presentation. We were asking for direction when we got lost. Do you often ask for help when you need it? Does he ask his friends for advice and difficult decision? Did you ask her about the project details? To have. I have asked everyone to contribute their ideas. Have you asked the committee for their approval yet? They had asked 2 more time to complete the text. Next, answer. What? What do you need to answer in the quiz? Where shall I answer the question on the form? When do you plan to answer the email from your professor? Why is it important to answer question clearly? Who will answer the question during the meeting? Which question do you need to answer first? Whom, whom, do you, whom did you ask to answer your inquiries? Whose turn is it to answer the next question? How do you actually answer difficult question? To be. I'm answering the question on the test now. They are answering the survey question. She was answering the phone when I arrived. We were answering email all afternoon. To do. Do you often answer questions during class discussion? Does he answer all his messages promptly? Did you answer the question on the exam? To have. I have answered all the questions in the assignment. Have you answered the call from your supervisor? They had answered the queries before the deadline. Next, listen. What do you listen to in your free time? What listen to music while studying? Where do you actually listen to podcasts? When do you listen to the news? Which song do you like to listen to the most? Whom do you listen to for advice on music? What playlist are you listening to right now? How do you like to listen to audiobooks at home or while commuting? To be. I'm listening to a great lecture right now. They are listening to the radio. He was listening to music when I called. We were listening closely during the presentation. To do. Do you listen to classic music? Does she listen to the Psalm podcast every week? Did you listen to that new album? To have. I have listened to that song many times. Have you listened to the last episode yet? They had listened to the interaction careful. Next, think. What do you think about the new policy change? Where do you think we shall hold the meeting? When? When do you think the project will be complete? Why? Why do you think it's important to address this issue? Well, what do you think will lead the team in the next project? Which approach do you think is the most effective? Whom do you think also asks for help? What opinion do you think matters the most in the education? How do you think we can improve our communication? To be. I'm thinking about the best way to present my ideas. They are thinking of new strategies for the campaign. She was thinking about changing her career path. We were thinking it would be best to wait for feedback. To do. Do you think it's a good idea to invest in the project? Does he think the deadline is reasonable? Did you think about the consequences of that decision? To have. I have thought about your proposal and have some suggestions. Have you talked about what you want to achieve this year? They had talked that the meeting will be concluded. Next, thinking. What do you think about the new policy change? Next, see. What do you want to see at the museum? The museum. Where can we see the best view of the city? When do you plan to see that new movie? Why do you want to see that concert? What do you want to see performed at the festival? Which show are you going to see tonight? Whom did you see at the event? Was actor did you see at the gallery? How do you actually see live performance from front row of or from a distance? To be. I'm seeing a fish tanning play this weekend. They are seeing the doctor tomorrow. She was seeing her friends when I called. We were seeing the sick during our vacation. To do. Do you see the problem in this equation? Does he see the some potential in the project? Did you see the documentary last night? To have. I have seen the movie multiple times. Have you seen the last episode of the series? They had seen the result before the announcement. Next, sit. What do you actually do when you sit down to work? Where do you prefer to sit during meetings? When do you like to sit and read? Why do you sit on the floor instead of a chair? What do you actually sit with at lunch? Which chair do you want to sit in? Whom did you sit next to at the event? What seat is that you are sitting on? How do you prefer to sit while working cross-legged or in a car? To be. I'm sitting in my favorite spot right now. They are sitting quietly in the library. She was sitting at her desk when I arrived. We were sitting together during the presentation. To do you sit for long hours at your job? Does he sit still during meditation? Did you sit in the front row at the concert? To have. I have sat in this chair for hours. Have you sat down to discuss the project yet? They had sat together before the meeting started. Next 10. What? What do you do when you stand in line? Where do you prefer to stand during a concert? When do you actually stand up during a meeting? Why do you stand by the window when you work? Who do you stand next to during the event? Which position do you stand in during the performance? Whom did you stand with at the party? What turn is it to stand and present? How do you feel when you stand up for what you believe in? To be. I'm standing in front of the class. They are standing outside waiting for the bus. She was standing near the entrance when I arrived. We were standing in line for tickets. To do you stand for long periods at work? Does he stand out in a crowd? Did you stand by your decision? To have. I have I have stood in this spot before. Have you stood up to give your opinion? They had stood together during the ceremony. Next, discuss. What? What topic do you want to discuss in the meeting? Where shall we discuss the project detail? When? When do you plan to discuss your finding with the team? Why? Why is it important to discuss this issue openly? Who will lead the discussion on budget allocation? Which point shall we produce in your discussion? Whom did you discuss the project with yesterday? Was responsibility is it to discuss the knowledge? How do you prefer to discuss sensitive topic? To be. I'm discussing the result with my colleagues now. They are discussing their option for the project. She was discussing her ideas during the presentation. We were discussing potential challenges last week. To do you discuss your goals with your mentor regularly? Does he discuss his plan in detail? Did you discuss the feedback you received? To have. I have discussed this matter with the team already. Have you discussed your concepts with management? They had discussed the proposal before making a decision. Next, count. What do you need to count for the project? Where can I count the votes for the election? When do you plan to count the inventory? Why is it important to count the number of participants? We'll count the ballots after the voting ends. Which item do you need count for the report? Whom shall I ask to help count the tickets? Whose responsibility is it count the funds? How do you actually count the data for your analysis? To be. I'm counting the result right now. They are counting the votes after the election. She was counting the number of attendees at the event. We were counting our expenses last month. To do you often count your steps when you walk? Does he count the horse he spends on homework? Did you count the number of pages in the report? To have. I have counted all the responses from the survey. Have you counted the items before submitting the order? They had counted the votes before announcing the result.